The worst cancer fraud in US history was updated on August 13, 2025, with newly uncovered emails and depositions relating to the failed oversight at Duke University by the current president of MIT. This scandal involved falsified research data suggesting a holy grail cancer treatment matching the genetics of the tumor to the drug choice. The fraud involved Duke, tens of millions of dollars, and more than 100 victimized cancer patients. Outside researchers discovered the data issues, but Duke resisted open investigation. CBS News interviewed 2 researchers who published their concern, noting the new method was a failure, but what isn't widely known until tonight is that the discovery wasn't just a failure. It may end up being one of the biggest medical research frauds ever, one that deceived dying patients, the best medical journals, and a great university. Duke agreed to pay $112.5 million in 2015 to settle allegations of scientific misconduct. The Duke cancer algorithm scandal involved claims of genomic predictors for chemotherapy. Over 100 patients were enrolled in trials from 2007 to 2010. Investigations revealed data manipulation, with warnings ignored. Key events in the Duke scandal include initial concerns in 2007 by an outside review from MD Anderson researchers. Data manipulation was flagged in 2008, and trials were suspended in 2010. Duke settled lawsuits in 2015, with new details emerging in 2025, highlighting ongoing issues in research integrity. The Office of Research Integrity found Anil Potti engaged in research misconduct, including falsified data. Sanctions included a 5-year supervision requirement for federally funded research, and a $112 million settlement was reached. The 2025 investigation revealed leadership choices that compromised external reviews. Potti and Nevins were tasked with reviewing themselves, rather than inviting outside assessment. Even Duke staff concerns were sidelined and reforms were reactive under National Institutes of Health, NIH, oversight pressure. Sally Kornbluth, the current MIT president who was in charge of the research, responded to the new allegations. Her claims that she was new at the time, that independent investigation is the standard, and improvements were ongoing, are all undermined by the 2025 update. She had been there for years. She allowed Potti and Nevins to review themselves. Duke's research safeguards were added post-scandal under external pressure. Kornbluth claims she was duped, but multiple internal warnings are now documented. Her claim of difficulty detecting fraud is undermined by repeated requests for data and outside reviews that were ignored. Her claim of empowerment of the staff is undermined by the dismissal of critics as biased. We research, you decide.